almost done with the campfire for tonight. Just need a little more kindling.
Nice, looking forward to enjoying this with you.
All right, let's start by gathering some dry kindling and small branches to get the campfire going for the night. Careful with the corner, that needs to be flush.
Got it, just a little more to the right, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Do you think that will hold?
With these stakes, we can build the cabin. I think that it'll last forever. Are you sure this is the right way to build a cabin?
Absolutely, we watched enough YouTube videos. It's just like in the tutorials.
You know, building a cabin like this really makes you feel like you're connecting with nature in a way you never have before.
I'm telling you, it's the best thing ever. We should complete the cabin before the winter.
Yeah, it is going to be tough to build in the snow.
I'm glad to see you building it.
This is so cozy. I'm glad we built this cabin.
Yeah, it's a great place to get away from it all.
I agree. It's really nice to be here together.
So I don't know about you guys, but camping like this with the fire and the stars, it's way better than any hotel.
We are on track to completing this log cabin by next week if we continue at this rate. Let's finish this log cabin before it gets too late.
Okay, I'll hand you the next log through the opening.
Thanks. This is a great cabin we have made, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a lot of work.
It was all worth the effort. So as you can see, building a log cabin requires patience and hard work.
But after all this hard
This is the perfect getaway from the city.
Yeah, I'm glad we finally finished building this cabin.
Me too, I've been wanting to spend more time in nature.